Hi there, for sale 1999 Ford F-450 crew cab dually. I just installed the 07 Harley Davidson headlights and the 07 remote mirrors. Makes the truck look 10 years newer. Plus it works so much better, especially for towing with these mirrors. I put the same ones on my Excursion. That's a world of difference. Anyway, this has a 7.3 turbo diesel Powerstroke. The mileage documented is under 82,000, which is unheard of. My Excursion is 1 year newer, and I've got 230,000 miles on that. Never wrecked. Clean Carfax. It's got the Fontaine body kit, or whatever they call it. Comes with 100+ gallon gas tanks and airbag suspension, low bed height for a fifth wheel or gooseneck. I believe it's 14 inches. It's got the bed liner. Leather interior. Seats were redone, front seats. Perfect shape. Tires have under 1,500 miles on them since new. 14 ply on the back, 12 ply on the front. This truck was ordered brand new, without a bed, shipped to Fontaine, and the Fontaine kit installed. I just washed this truck. I haven't had time to detail it. It's original paint, which for being 20 years old is in excellent condition. A couple little chips here and there, nothing bad at all. A couple tiny little small cracks in the fiberglass. Nothing big. I've got the center light for here. It's in the console. It's got the regular hitch also, class 3, class 4 with a 7-way plug. You can see a couple cracks in the fiberglass there. A few scratches here. Little crack there on the rear fender. Runs and drives perfect. Electric windows, power door locks, dual airbags, cruise control. 81,793 actual mileage. That's for the gas tanks. Electric brake controller. AC blows cold. This switch here is for the airbags. That's the airbag motor. Six-speed manual transmission. The weak link on These 7.3s is usually the automatic transmission, which is the first and only major problem I had with my Excursion. And unless John Wood's Transmissions north of Mexicali in California, I forget the town, Holtville or something like that. Anyway, you can Google his name. Unless he builds automatic trans, there's still a weak link with just a standard rebuild. With the 6-speed manual, this thing is super dependable for a long time. I've seen lots of 7.3s go 500,000, 700,000, a million miles without having the engine apart at all. Here's the Carfax. No accidents. Page 2. It's always been on the West Coast, Oregon and California. You watch the bed go down when I push the button here. It's down all the way. Back it up to your fifth wheel or gooseneck. Push the button, back up. Goes back up to ride height. Rides down the road really nice, not like a truck. Engine's totally stock. Back seats in excellent condition. Also, floor mats are brand new. Running boards are rated at 500 pounds. Back. Batteries are new. That's the marks from the factory when it was built. The belt bend mark there, and also over here.